Here at the Albury factory in the West Midlands, we manufacture the workshop range, and we have been producing beds and mattresses on this site for over 20 years now. The workshop range of mattresses all consist of an open coil spring unit. These are traditional spring units that have been tried and tested for many years within the mattress industry. When we're making one of the workshop mattresses, the start of the process is to cut and sew the borders and panels.
We start with the roll cut, then come to the machines, then we put it on vertical and cut into different sizes, put the label on, and when process finish, we send it down.
I run the quilting machines. If you think about 32 sewing machines, it's actually showing the material and the fillings all together. It comes through the other side, puts the pattern on, and then it cuts it to the right size.
We then feed these into the production lines along with the springs and the relevant fillings before we start to assemble the mattress.
From the building table, it comes to myself where I tape edge it, and what that actually does is seals the top panel to the border. It's a skilled process within the bedding industry. It's quite a physical job. Just walking around the table alone, I would do about 3 miles a day. You don't need to get out in the gym.
I'm the last person essentially to check the mattresses before it's received by the customer. The Dreams Workshop range is a wide range of great quality products for great prices. Ultimately, I need to make sure that they're as good as possible in order to make sure there's customer satisfaction at the end of it all.
We make different headboards every day, whatever the customer's ordered, different colours, sizes, different materials. On the divans, ottomans, headboards, it's all mainly hands-on, stapling, hammers, drills, everything I've done here at Dreams, I've been trained here, yeah. You get the right training that you need.
By selecting Dreams divans, ottomans and headboards, customers are helping to take care of the world's forests. FSC is the Forest Stewardship Council, and the Dreams Bed Factory go through a very detailed annual inspection. With the workshop range, we check our work at every stage of the production process to ensure that everything is made to the highest standards that we set.
We've named a lot of our new range and the range that's coming out now after employees who actually work within the Dreams Bed Factory. They currently haven't picked my name out yet. I think that's probably because they're leaving the best till last.